In this lesson, we're going to examine a real-world deepfake scam case. You'll see how artificial intelligence was used to imitate a CEO's voice and trick employees into transferring company funds. This case highlights how advanced AI can be weaponized for financial fraud. By the end of this lesson, you will understand how deepfake scams work, why they are so convincing, and what makes organizations vulnerable to them. More importantly, you'll learn practical strategies to identify and prevent these AI-driven deceptions. Deepfake scams rely on artificial intelligence to generate highly realistic fake audio or video. Using machine learning models trained on real recordings, attackers can clone someone's voice or face. The result is content that sounds or looks authentic, but is completely fabricated. This creates serious risks for businesses, governments, and individuals. Fake CEO voice scam. In this case, cybercriminals cloned the voice of a company's CEO. They called a senior employee and urgently instructed them to transfer funds for what appeared to be a legitimate business transaction. Because the voice sounded exactly like the CEO's, the employee trusted the request, and the transfer was made. This demonstrates how trust can be exploited using AI technology. Timeline of events. The scam began with an urgent phone call. The attackers used a cloned voice to create authority and pressure. Believing the request was genuine, the employee transferred a large amount of money to a foreign account. The fraud was only discovered when the real CEO later questioned the transaction. By then, the funds had already been moved. AI technology used. The attackers used a combination of voice cloning technology and social engineering tactics. Voice cloning replicated the CEO's tone and speech patterns. Social engineering created urgency and authority to reduce suspicion. In some cases, spoofing techniques were used to make the phone call appear legitimate. Together, these tools made the scam highly convincing. Impact of the scam. The financial loss was significant. But beyond money, the incident exposed weaknesses in internal verification systems. It also damaged trust within the organization. This case serves as a warning. Traditional security measures may not be enough in the age of AI-generated deception. Warning signs. So how can we detect such scams? First, be cautious of urgent or unusual financial requests, even from senior executives. Second, always verify instructions through a second communication channel. Third, pay attention to small irregularities in tone, phrasing, or timing. And most importantly, never rely solely on voice authenticity as proof of identity. Lessons for investigators. For investigators and journalists, verification is essential. Always confirm information through multiple reliable sources. Use digital forensic tools to analyze audio patterns and metadata. Stay updated on AI advancements, because detection methods must evolve alongside the technology. And remember, collaboration improves investigation accuracy. Deepfake scams represent a new era of digital fraud. They combine artificial intelligence with psychological manipulation to exploit trust. The key defense is vigilance, verification, and awareness. In today's digital landscape, seeing or hearing is no longer believing.